Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has a beautiful, this is half of a free range chicken. Here I'm going to use it to make soya sauce chicken. Xiao gai. Okay, very easy one. Soya sauce chicken compared to braised pork leg, soya sauce chicken is super easy. And it only takes you about less than 30 minutes. So let's quickly take a look at the ingredient. Of course, I'm using half of a chicken here. Yeah, usually I will braise the whole chicken, then only I will cut it. Then let's take a look at the ingredient. Here I have some bay leaf, two pieces of star anise, some cinnamon stick. This is ginger, some minced garlic, some shallot. Good enough. Then I will braise some egg together. I'll be using a bit of raw sugar, my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, some 13 spice powder. If you don't have 13 spice powder, you just use 5 spice powder, Sautéing wine, dark soya sauce, premium light soya sauce, and some salt. If you don't have rock sugar, then you just use normal sugar. Give it some vegetable oil and heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we put in the fresh herbs first, the ginger, minced garlic, and also shallot. Saute this for a minute or two before we continue. Very fragrant. I love the aroma coming from especially the shallot, fried shallot. To me, that is the grandmother's taste or the grandmother's aroma. Who else also like the flavor of fried shallot? Once you start seeing the garlic started to brown, you can put in the dried spice. Give it a few stir. Then we will add in some water, hot water, yeah. While it is boiling, while it is building up the heat, I'm going to add in some sauce. 2-3 rounds of light soya sauce. Premium light soya sauce, okay? Then some dark soya sauce. About 1 to 2 tablespoons. Small bowl of Sautéing wine, 13 spice powder, some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any envied restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. Some people say, Appa, I can't find your chicken stock at Pho Viet because it's not Pho Viet, it's envied, yeah, envied Vietnamese restaurant. Then about 1 tablespoon of rock sugar, or you can use normal sugar will do, no problem. And you want to give it some fine salt. I don't mind giving it some premium Vietnamese fish sauce here. So let's bring this to a boil and let it boil for a minute or two before we continue. Wow, super fragrant already. This is after about 2 minutes boiling. Slowly we will put in the chicken. Not forgetting the hard-boiled egg. You can put in tofu also. If you prefer to have darker color, just add a little bit more dark soya sauce. But one thing, take note, as you continue cooking towards the end, it will actually become darker also. Never mind, I will still add in a little bit. Once it is boiling, I'm going to put out the lid, tune down to medium-low fire, and I'm going to cook it for at least about 20 to 25 minutes. Along the way, later about 10-15 minutes, I will flip the chicken to the other side. This is after approximately 15 minutes under medium-low heat. My medium-low here is actually quite high because I noticed my broth is a bit more today, so I let it boil a little bit harder. Now we are going to flip the chicken over. I'm going to continue cooking this for another 10 to 15 minutes. This is after another 10 more minutes. So total cooking time now about 25 minutes. I'm going to flip it over. All right. This is the braised soya sauce chicken color. I'm going to give it a few more minutes on the other side. Look at how beautiful it is. Actually today my broth is a little bit more, so it's not as dark as I wanted, but the flavor is good, no problem. This is after another few more minutes. Actually the fire has off by itself. I use timer. Total cooking time approximately 30 minutes. And since I'm not eating yet, I'm going to leave it there for until we want to eat later. Yeah, so that the flavor will continue being absorbed by the chicken and the egg itself. So just leave it there. But basically the chicken is ready to be served. All you need to do is just cut it into chunks. Done. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.